In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find coordinates of a point in AutoCAD. We are using the ID command quickest. This method is the standard, most direct way to get precise X, Y, and Z values from any point in your drawing. Whether you are verifying a layout, cross-checking survey data, or just confirming exactly where something sits in your model, we'll keep it simple but thorough. First, bring your attention to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. That's where the magic happens with this tool. To start, type ID, just the letters I and D, then press Enter. You don't need to navigate menus or ribbons for this. The command line is faster and keeps your focus in the drawing area. AutoCAD is ready and waiting for you to specify a point. Now, click the exact point you want to measure. Accuracy here matters. So use object snaps to lock onto a precise feature. Snaps like endpoint, midpoint, center, or intersection help you avoid clicking near a point and instead grab the exact geometry. Pause your cursor until you see the snap marker and tooltip appear. Then click. That visual confirmation is your cue that AutoCAD is snapping to a reliable location. As soon as you click, AutoCAD reports the coordinates instantly on the command line. You'll see values for X, Y, and Z. In many 2D drawings, Z will be 0, but in 3D environments, you'll see a true elevation value. Keep in mind the numbers are displayed in your drawing's current units, so they match whatever units your project is set to use. If the text at the bottom feels cramped or scrolls by too quickly, press F2 to open the command line history in a larger text window. This makes the numbers easier to read, review, and reference, especially when you need to double-check multiple points or share the data with a teammate. Pressing F2 again will return you to the standard view. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.